Okay, here is my pocket survival kit, and let's go ahead and get it open. First we can see these clips on the side. They hold it and they lock quite nicely, like a roll clip, and these pop off pretty easily, as you can see. Okay, here's the contents of the kit, and as you can see in the inside, you've got a removable rubber seal, keeps it nice and waterproof. That can be removed so you can use these for cooking. So inside the kit, first thing you see, one of these little lucifer firelighters. These burn in the packet, so once they get a flame on them, they'll burn for 2 or 3 minutes. And item on the top inside a bag is the SOL signal mirror heliograph. These things are fantastic. They're really accurate and really easy to use, and a really handy piece of kit. They're scratch resistant too, I believe. And we have a multi-tool. This is nothing special, it's just basic, but it's a handy thing to have in the kit. There is a set of pliers and wire cutters. The main reason it's in here is a handy way to have a small flashlight, and this is detachable as well, so yeah, nice to have a bit of light in there. And we've also got a small knife, file, screwdriver and scissors. Okay, we've got this here. This is a signaling and fire starting combo. We've got a really loud whistle in the end here, as well as a magnesium rod and striker. Okay, another thing that's really important, I think it's pretty overlooked in a lot of kits, is instructions. These are the Priorities of Survival by Bear Grylls. Super handy piece of kit. It's got some great information here. Nice little guide. You know, it's easy to forget, especially in a survival situation. I'll go through the contents of this. So as you can see, I've got a couple of straight off the bat, a couple of quick tinders. So these are fire lighting tabs. You just ruffle them up and they take a spark almost immediately, and they burn for quite a long time. They've got a wax coating in them. Simple button compass. I have aqua tabs, water purification. I have a wire saw. I've removed the ends of these. I can always improvise one. It just takes up a little less room. Okay, strong fishing line. This is braided fishing line for extra strength. I have a striker for the 5 UCO waterproof matches. And here I have some fishing items. I've got a small squeegee, little lure there, and here I have sticky taped on a piece of paper some sort of hooks. Long shank are always handy as well, a fly and a swivel. Okay, next in the kit, a roll of duct tape. This is 2 lengths of duct tape. One of them is the grey or silver, and underneath that it's a fluoro orange, so good for getting attention. This is a large oven bag. These are great for storing water. They're super strong. Last 2 items of the kit. Got a Bear Grylls emergency survival blanket. These things are a lot tougher than the average ones that you get inside first aid kits. And this one has a signal on the back for attracting attention, as well as survival instructions printed on. And here we have a very, very long, decent length of, I think it's 550 paracord And this is glow in the dark, and it does have retroreflective markings all along it. So I went overboard with the amount of paracord here, but I think in most situations this is one of the handiest things to have. And there you have it. And you can see just by the length of that, this is a decent size blanket, which I thought of it quite important. You know, shelter is probably one of the main things, and it's very hard to improvise. And we're left with the tin itself, and you know, this can be used in a fire for cooking, boiling water, or collecting water. So there you have it, my pocket survival kit. Make sure you head over to the Waikool website, where you'll find a full list of everything I've shown today in this kit.